Not at all. Till pre-pandemic era, work from home and remote jobs was so hard to find, or I would say next to impossible to find. So everyone was forced to move into larger cities for finding job opportunities. But things changed. Yeah, after this pandemic, a lot of job opportunities are coming into remote, and lots of work from home opportunities are there as well. So I would say definitely work on your skills, work on your showreel part, and improve your communications as well, and also improve your social media presence in websites like LinkedIn or Instagram or those kind of apps. Yeah, if you do this kind of things consistently, you will eventually land up in a job in big companies in larger cities, and you can definitely work from your remote town or village or wherever you are living in. So my final advice is work on your showreel and make it perfect, make it amazing, and also improve your communications and skills as well. So yeah, I wish you all the best.